Hey guys, this is Eric with USACLEAN. I wanted to give the service network a quick overview here of the different versions of armor you may come across in the field. We're going to start doing some replacements of our older units, and you're going to start seeing some versions maybe you're not familiar with. Now, when you open up these machines, you go on site, generally your work order is going to tell you in advance which machine, which serial number you're going to look at. That's going to tell us which armor device you're going to come across. But as we all know, surprises happen. So here I wanted to give you a quick overview of what you're going to see when you open these machines. First up, the oldest armors we have out there, this is Armor 1. This is going to be the version you see on all sorts of miscellaneous customers. This is the one that is going to be on KIVAC units only. The interesting thing about this, and the thing that really sets them apart from the next generation, these are still on CDMA network. So if you can see the IMEI, or in this case the MEID on the back, it starts with a letter. This just indicates this is the older version of the cell network. CDMA, as that's being phased out, we're going to start moving into 4G and even 5G. So these are going to be getting replaced soon. You're going to start coming across a lot of these in the field. Now we're moving into Gen 2. This is going to be Gen 2 that you're going to find again on all customers out there. There's going to be two versions of the adapter to the battery pack. You're going to have this cable, which is for your single battery units. Then you're going to have this cable, which goes to your multi-battery units. This is one you're going to find on various customers throughout the field. These two are your KIVAC only units. Now this is Armor Gen 2. This is Armor Gen 2 Plus. The 2 Pluses are fairly recent. Probably won't be seeing too many of these get replaced right away. But you're going to be coming across some of these here soon. All right, and lastly, a peek at a couple prototypes here. Armor 3 is getting ready to go out into the field, will be for non-KIVACs only. A little slimmer design. And this is Armor 4. We just got our hands on it today, fresh in from the manufacturer. This will be going on a mix of both KIVAC and non-KIVAC units, so there won't be as confusion over which version is which with the Armor 4s. So this is getting ready to go out into the field here soon, and you can see, in comparison with our older Gen 1, how far we've come in 6 years of development. In another 6 years, who knows, this thing might be the size of my thumbnail. But again, that's a brief overview on the armors you may come across in the field. If you have any questions or you get something that you're not quite sure of, always give us a call at 800-USA-CLEAN. Reach out to one of your coordinators here. We'll help clarify what you're dealing with, what machine, make sure we get the right armors for you.